My name is Magitare, and we're here on Magitare Live, still in the City of Kings, celebrating Motown music, the sound that changed America, and looking at the local artists and seeing how the Motown sound has impacted on their music. Tonight we are chilling with the amazing, the beautiful Rudo Amor.
You're too kind.
It's a pleasure, darling. It's a pleasure, darling. Welcome to Magitare Live.
No, thank you.
It's such a pleasure and an honor to have you here.
Do you know what? I'm so excited because you've probably forgotten. A couple of years ago, you were having a performance by Rainbow.
Yes.
And I was getting out of the elevator and you were getting in. And then I stopped you and I was like, Terry, please can I have a pic? You know? I was such a groupie and we took pics together. So it's like,
so it was fate, man.
Oh man, this is just a dream. Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah. I'm so glad we got to reconnect.
Same.
I'll start with where we reconnected. The Sisters Next Generation. Look, that's a project I'm super excited about. I think more excited than you are. Tell me about that. What is Sisters Next Generation?
So Sisters Next Generation is an initiative by local artists. What we decided was that we were so tired of seeing so many female musicians not getting a voice, not being able to produce, everything literally stops, especially with this lockdown.
Oh yeah.
You could not, all projects went on pause.
Yeah.
So we decided to come up, with this initiative, where we trained. So far we've trained about 15 women in music business. So that they'll be able to manage artists, manage even in theater and actors and so forth, And then we've just completed our training in music, recording and production. And we had 11 girls.
Wow. So we've got 11 new producers.
Yes. It's so impressive. They were so quick in terms of catching the concepts, and understanding, it was, so it's amazing.
That's groundbreaking. I'm so excited. And I mean, you've inspired me. I've been also
Googling
and looking for stuff to get my stuff in check. But it's exciting. And tell, where did Rudo Amor start? I mean, when I heard of you first, you were in modeling.
Yes,
where did the music come up? And tell us about that journey.
It's so weird because a lot of people know me as a model, and yet I've always been about music. I have baby pictures of me singing.
Really?
So it's weird because a lot of the girls that you've been talking to all come from a musical family. And it's the same thing with me. Wow. My dad was in a band with Rudo Bismarck's younger brother, Clyde Bismarck.
What?
Yeah. So, and my mom was in praise and worship.
Mm-hmm.
Then my grandfather, he has a really his voice is you have to sing from the stomach. He'd always literally because he sort of groomed me.
Okay.
Because I was a music praise and worship leader for about 15 years.
Wow.
And I was training myself. I think I've trained about 50 singers, and Zim, as well as South Africa. So it was a lot of pressure, imagine in your early 20s.
Yeah.
So music has always been a very important part. Modeling came up as a mistake. It was an oops. Because I was auditioning for in Twasa. Not actually in Twasa. It was actually even before. There was an arts festival that used to be back in the day. I think I was about 18. And I was auditioning, to sing. And they're like, wait, you're slim. You should model. And I'm like, really? Me? Because I never considered myself a beautiful girl or anything, because I was always about music. So that's how modeling came about. But with music, I've always been into music. I've recorded, I've worked with Take Shows, Amor. I've worked with a number of artists. I've opened for Benjamin Dube, KK, and Rebecca Malope. So it's been an amazing journey.
Wow. So what genre is in music, given the influences that you...
Yeah, I know, hey? Yeah. Quite a lot of influences. I call myself a contemporary Christian artist.
Okay.
Because what I've told myself is that whether I'm doing deep house, whether I'm doing soul music, whether I'm doing contemporary jazz, there has to be that Christian element within, but I would say soul. Guys, there's just something about soul and blues.
Just out of interest, seeing as though you grew up in the church, how has your journey been with with God? Do you have any personal experiences that you feel influenced your decision to become a musician?
my father was so against me singing outside of the church because he thought, a lot of artists start in church. Yeah, there's so many artists that start in church and then they sort of like divert and like go very far. So it took quite a lot of, effort because I tried to tell him, how am I supposed to impact and influence other people who don't have a one-on-one experience with God, who won't enter church because of maybe something they've done in the past. They feel so ashamed they can't. So if they meet me and they hear my songs, then I'm able to portray a side of God, So I think he finally got it. He even now invests in my music in terms of like even paying for studio sessions.
Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. So what can we expect from you? Where's Rudo Amor going?
So I have a single that's out. Yes. It's called Choose. It's been really doing well in terms of radio, like Sky's Metro. It's been like topping the charts. It's always been like on number 1, number 2. I was so nervous about that song because I didn't know whether people were really ready for like a really soulful song, especially this December, boys. So like I'm surprised. And then I'm working on another single that's coming out in January. It's called Satisfied, talking about all of the pleasures in life, but nothing seems to satisfy.
Yeah. Sounds like Solomon, I think.
Yeah, exactly. Yes,
no, I love that.
Yes.
So if you grew up in a musical family, Motown must have had an influence somewhere. Tell us about that influence in your family.
So my dad is a pastor, but Motown, like that's his like Achilles heel, because like it's like Diana Ross, the Supremes, all of these guys. Of course, like Marvin Gaye, and it was just so emotional and whatnot. So for me, I grew up listening, to the music. I think it was only in my teens when I got really interested in it. I was at girls' college, and we had to go through like all of the phases of music from like the 1920s and how music, evolved and whatnot. So that's when I first actually like really understood what Motown is, what it's about, where it came from, And Motown is amazing.
That's exciting. I'm looking forward to your set. And I know that you're also featuring an amazing guitarist.
Yes,
too.
yes I am. Yes I am, because I'm an internal guitarist. Upcoming, now that we are best friends. I'm like, Tari, please can you teach me?
I'll be on your case.
Yes,
we
please.
need you strumming, but those nails need to go, unfortunately.
You know what? Yes, the nails would definitely go because I'll just have to sacrifice for the guitar.
So enjoy those last moments and you can flip the nails around. But it's been so exciting to have you on the show, and I'm looking forward to watch you and Joanna perform.
Yes,
we are celebrating Motown music, and we have Rudo Amor in the house. So please stay tuned. She'll be coming up shortly.
Hi, my name is Rudo Amor. I am a contemporary Christian artist. You can call me Coconut Bay because I am a great mix of Africa meets Europe meets America. So I hope you enjoy my set. To begin with, I want to do a very popular song, Motown. Guys, like Motown Records was everything. So this song I dedicated to you. You know who you are. So it's a song called Stop in the Name of Love by Diana Ross and the Supremes. Baby, I'm aware of where you go. Each time you leave the door, I want you to walk down the street, knowing your other love you'll meet. But this time before you run to her, leaving me alone and hurt. After I've been good to you, after I've been sweet to you, stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Stop in the name of love. think it over, think it over. I've known of your secluded nights. I've even seen her maybe once or twice. But is her sweet expression worth more than my love and affection? But this time before you leave my arms and rush off to her charms, after I've been good to you, haven't I been sweet to you? Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Think it over, think it over. I'll try so hard to be patient, hoping you stop this infatuation. But each time you are together, I'm so afraid I'll be losing you forever. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Think it over, think it over. Thank you. So I'm going to do a couple of my songs. We're going to start off by It's Love. It's a song, it's a house song actually. It won the best house production in 2016 for under the Zimbabwe Music Awards. It was produced by Skyva. So this is like a new acoustic type of set, and I hope you enjoy it. Never thought I'd feel this way. Thought my heart would never beat again. Maybe, yeah. Didn't know all that I've been running away from was the only thing that could save me. But when you appeared, all my sorrow disappeared. you know, no matter what the world throws at us, baby. Oh, it's love. Love is what we share. Sweet love. Oh, it's got to be love. Sweet love. Love is what we share. Love what we share. Love what we share. Love what we share is real. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So my next song is Survivor. This is a song that I wrote for a cancer awareness fundraiser that we had in 2015. And unfortunately, when I eventually recorded the song, there was a lady who had heard me performing it, and she had cancer. And she had said that, she wants to beat this, and she believes, that she can beat this. And unfortunately, once the song came out, she had passed on, So I know we've been through a lot this year, but we are survivors. I believe we are survivors. So here's the next song, Survivor. Dark days, long nights, my body's broken and torn inside. Can't think, can't sleep. The pain in my eyes I can't describe. I know that this time it won't last forever. I know that I can make it through another day. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Nothing can bring me down. Nothing can bring me down. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Nothing can bring me down. Nothing can bring me down. Your heart, your mind is stronger than what you think. Nothing, no one can keep you on the ground. I know that you'll get through this. I know that you can make it through another day. You're a survivor. You're a survivor. Nothing can bring you down. Nothing can bring you down. 'Cause you're a survivor. You're a survivor. Nothing can bring you down. Nothing can bring you down. So hold on. Don't give up. Stay strong against all odds. Keep You're a survivor. You're a survivor. Nothing can bring you down. Nothing can bring you down. Yeah. I know that you'll get through this. Don't give up on you. I know that you'll survive. Thank you. So my last song is Choose. This is my latest single. It's interesting how it came about because I was actually working on another single called Satisfy. And then I went through an experience, being a single Black female, and I value my relationship with God quite a lot. And I met a guy, and well, he didn't have the same values. He was a great guy. Like, I couldn't fault him on anything, but just that. And I had to make a choice. I had to choose. Am I going to follow my beliefs, or am I going to follow my heart? So I hope you like the song. The song is on radio. It's online. You can buy it. You're so romantic. Everything about you is so sweet. But you just don't seem to understand me when I'm trying to say to you. 'Cause if you make me choose between you and God, I'll choose the one who died for me. 'Cause if you make me choose between loving you or him, then I'd rather break your heart and say goodbye. I don't want to regret the times that we shared, 'cause I know that you care for me, yeah. But when you come to me, asking me to give you the only piece of me, oh, that I can never take back. 'Cause if you make me choose between you and God, I'll choose the one who died for me. 'Cause if you make me choose between loving you or him, then I'd rather break your heart, say goodbye. 'Cause if you make me choose between you and God, I'll choose the one who died for me. 'Cause if you make me choose between loving you or him, then I'd rather break your heart and say goodbye. Oh, oh, da da ba day. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'd rather say goodbye That's a choice that I made. I hope you enjoyed my set. Remember, the name is Rudo Amor. You can follow me on social media. That's RUDOAMOR Music. MUSIC. So follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I love you. God bless you. Thank you for your time. So thank you so much to my sister Joanne. Yes, on the lead. I'm so thankful for her, my sister from Sisters Next Gen.